Hi everyone, this is Namrata. Hope you all are doing good. I wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. In today's session, we will be discussing about Salesforce quick actions. We'll talk about what is a quick action. Quick actions help users to do something very quickly and it will make the lives of the user very easier. Quick actions also allows user to do more things in Salesforce and also in mobile application. Let's consider an example. Users wants to create or update records. They would like to log a call. In all those scenarios, we can make use of quick actions. Using the actions, we can also invoke lightning components. We can go ahead and invoke the flows and visual flows pages. There are different types of flavors of quick action. One is object specific quick actions. Second one is global quick action. In today's session, we will be talking about how we can go ahead and create a global quick action. Now let's talk about what is an object specific quick action. Object specific quick action allows users to quickly create or update records, quickly send out email notifications to the users, log calls of a particular object. Suppose if you would like to go ahead and add an object specific action on an account, in order to create a contact, you can use object specific quick actions. Now let's talk about what is a global quick action. Global quick actions are quick actions that can be placed anywhere where the actions are actually supported. So that is what is global quick action. There are several types of global and object specific quick actions. Like you can go ahead and create an actions, you can update actions, you can log a call, you can create custom actions. As I was telling, we can go ahead and invoke the lightning components, we can invoke the flows, and also we can go ahead and invoke the visual force pages. We can, using the global quick actions, you can send out email notifications. Global quick actions live on a specific or a special layout called as a global publisher actions. So we'll see all of those in our demo. Now with these global quick actions, there are a lot of things that you can do. Like suppose if you wanted to send out an email notification to your customer, then you can create a global quick action called as send email actions, and that quick actions can be placed wherever this quick actions is actually supported. Now if you wanted to log a call and those details should be updated into the Salesforce, you can use a log a call quick actions and you can place it wherever, place it in the Salesforce wherever it is actually supported. We can also create global quick actions to create many kinds of records, which includes like if you wanted to create a quick actions on an account, you can use it, use the global quick actions on the contact object. You can use it on the case, you can use it on the opportunity. Likewise, there are different standard or custom objects which you can use the quick actions. We can also invoke the Lightning Web Component using the quick actions, which is a pilot feature of the Spring 21. Now, let us think of a use case. If you recall in my previous video related to the Salesforce Community Cloud, if a customer wants to create a case, they may have to navigate to the case tab and then they have to click on a new case. Now, let us make the life of the customer very easier and create a better user experience by creating a button called as a create support case. All of these is something which can be done using the quick actions. Now, let's see where we can uh, where we can find the global quick actions from the service setup. Go to the service setup and then from the home in the global search box, look out for global action. So here you can see under the user interface, you have something called as global actions. Click the global actions. There are different types of global actions which is already provided by the Salesforce. Here I've created two global quick actions, but for our demo purpose, what I will do is I will try to create one more quick action. So as per the business use case, our use case is we went ahead and seen this is the customer community which we have created in our earlier demo. If you recall, we were just having this particular page. Let's not consider this particular component which is on the right hand side. Whenever the customer wants to go ahead and create a case, what they used to do, they can go to the cases tab and from the cases click on new and create a case. So with the help of global quick actions, we are trying to make the life of the customers very easier. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to create a button on this customer community page so that rather than navigating to different pages or different tabs, by being into the same page, they can go to create a new case button and they can create a case directly from the same page. So that is what we are going to do in our today's demo. So global quick actions, click on new action. So here, as we were discussing, there are different types of actions. You can create a record, you can send an email, log a call. So these are customs like custom visual force, custom canvas, custom lightning component. So as per our use case is creating a record. What is a target object? Target object is case. So let's choose the target object as a case. Now, what is the record type? We will select the product support record type for now. And standard label, this is if you want to make use of the existing quick actions which is already provided by the Salesforce, you can make use of that. Otherwise, we can just create a new label name called as a new case. I'm just creating a label with the name new case, and you can give any description if you want to. And success message, case is created successfully. Someone from the support team will reach out to you. So this is the success message. This message displays when an action is performed successfully, but does not create a feed item. So if you want to create a feed item, you can click on this create feed item. So what it does, if enabled, creates a feed item when the action is performed. The feed items fields are defined by the target object's compact layout. Yep. So this is something which is not that we can discuss in the later sessions, but for now, what is a business use case? Create a button so that the customers can directly from the same customer community page, they can go ahead and create a case. That is our business use case. Now click on save. Once you save the global actions, it will open up a layout which will ask you what all different fields should be displayed when you want your customers to click on create a new case button. So here by default there are certain fields which are added to the layout. I don't want the contact name, so I'm clicking this icon and removing it. I also don't want the status, so I'm removing this. I want the subject, I want the description. Then what you can also do is we can give we can also add priority. So from the palette, go ahead and pull the priority to the bottom of the page, and then let's also have web email address. You can customize this a page layout, you can beautify it, you can create multiple sections based upon your customer need. But for now our simple use case is just let users to create a case and add all the details. Now once you created this, click on save. So you have completed building your layout. Once you do that, as we were discussing, that global quick actions live on a special layout called as a global publisher layout. So let's go to home. Here under the global action, you see publisher layout. So click on edit existing layout, try to open that, go to mobile and lightning actions. If you see there is mobile Salesforce mobile and lightning experience is not enabled, you will see some kind of notification to go ahead and enable that. Try to enable it, and then what you can do is you can add that particular button what you have created onto the layout, mobile and lightning actions, and now click on save. Now what we will do is now we have to place this specific button what we have created in our community page. So in order to go to our community, what we have to do, we have to from the global search look out for all communities. So it will be available under communities, all communities, search for all communities. This is the community which we have created, SFDC one stop 20. Go to the builder, click on builder. Once the builder is open, from the components on the left hand side, you see components tab, and then search for the component which says button here. You see, under the records standard component, you see create record button. Now you can pull this create record button wherever you would like the button to be placed. So here, as you can see, I have created two buttons prior to this demo. But for our demo, live demo, what I will do is I will try to pull another create button and put it over here. So as soon as you drag that create record button from the component section to the right hand side of your community page, it a new pop-up will come. So new pop-up will be shown. Here it will ask me what should be the label. So here I'm saving customer support case. You can give a label. Now under the global actions, click on that specific global action, and here you see new case. So this is the global actions that I have created, and you can easily view that from the global action drop down. Now click on this. So you got that, and click on save. And I'm clicking on publicly available and clicking on save, and done. So this is what is the button which I have created. Create customer support case. Now what we will do is, let's go to the preview mode and see how does it looks. When you click on customer support case, these four fields, if you recall, these and all are the four fields that we have added. I can create global actions test case priority. I'm selecting it as high. Web email, I'm giving it as namrata.karyala@gmail.com, and click on confirm. So as soon as the user clicks on confirm, a new case gets created into the Salesforce. So now with this global quick actions, what we are doing, we are making the life of the customers very easier and providing a very good user customer experience. Because rather than navigating to the home, go to the case and go to the different page, we are providing the button onto the same page, customer community page, wherever the users has logged in, and providing a provision for them to go ahead and create a case from the same page itself. So this is how a quick actions can be used to perform various actions and make the life easier. I hope this video is useful to everyone. If you like our videos, please do share with your friends and colleagues, and also do provide your valuable feedback. Thank you. Signing off, Namrata Karyala. Bye bye.